We can use inversion with the second conditional to talk about an unreal present state, using the verb to be. We do this when we want to be more formal. If I were a millionaire, I'd have a lot more free time. Were I a millionaire, I would have a lot more free time. We delete if and we switch the subject and the verb. I were becomes were I. The main clause doesn't change. If I were younger, I wouldn't have so many grey hairs. Can't see them in the video, happily. Were I younger, I wouldn't have so many grey hairs. We delete if and we switch the position of the subject and the verb. I were becomes were I. The main clause doesn't change. See if you can convert the sentences in the video description and put your ideas in the chat.